Hey everyone, welcome back to Science Snippets. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of black holes. How are these cosmic monsters formed? We're about to find out in detail. So, let's get started. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the universe. But what exactly happens when a black hole is born? Let's explore. To understand how black holes are formed, we first need to look at stars. Stars, like our Sun, are giant balls of gas made mostly of hydrogen. They shine because of nuclear fusion, a process that combines hydrogen atoms to form helium, releasing tons of energy in the form of light and heat. But not all stars are the same. Only stars much more massive than our Sun, at least 10 to 15 times bigger, can eventually turn into black holes. As these massive stars burn through their fuel, they eventually run out of hydrogen and start fusing heavier elements like helium. This causes the star to expand into what we call a red giant. This phase is short-lived, and it's the beginning of the end for the star. The red giant is unstable and will soon face a catastrophic collapse. Now, here's where things get really exciting. After the star uses up its heavier elements, it can no longer support itself against gravity. The core of the star collapses in on itself, creating a supernova, one of the most powerful explosions in the universe. The outer layers of the star are blown away, but the core keeps collapsing under its own gravity. What's left after this massive explosion? Well, if the core is heavy enough, it will collapse into a singularity, a point of infinite density, and that's when a black hole is born. This point, called the event horizon, marks the boundary where not even light can escape the black hole's gravitational pull. And just like that, we have a black hole. But there's a bit more to it than just collapse and boom. Black hole. Let's talk about what's really going on inside. At the heart of a black hole is the singularity, where all the mass of the star has been squeezed into an incredibly tiny point. Scientists believe that the laws of physics, as we know them, break down inside the singularity. The gravitational pull is so strong that space and time get distorted in ways we can't fully understand. It's mind-blowing, right? But there's still more we need to explore. Not all black holes are the same. There are actually three main types. First, we have stellar black holes, which are formed from the collapse of individual stars. These are the most common type. Then there are supermassive black holes found at the center of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These are millions or even billions of times more massive than our Sun. Finally, intermediate black holes fall somewhere in between and are a bit of a mystery to scientists. And there you have it. The birth of a black hole is a wild journey from the life of a massive star to its dramatic collapse. It's amazing how the universe works, isn't it? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or have any questions about black holes, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome space content.